Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams SST. First, familiarize yourself with the specific structure of your social studies exam, including question styles like multiple choice or essays. Next, develop a realistic study timetable, allocating specific times for each subject area. This helps ensure you cover all necessary material without feeling overwhelmed. Finally, divide complex historical periods or geographical concepts into smaller, digestible units for easier learning. To truly grasp the material, engage in active learning. After reading a chapter, try to summarize its main points without looking at your notes. This reinforces understanding and recall. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing crucial details like historical dates, significant events, or important geographical terms. Regularly testing yourself with practice questions helps you understand the exam's expectations and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Improving your memory is key for social studies exams. Try explaining difficult concepts to a friend or even to yourself aloud. This process clarifies your thoughts. Make connections between new information and what you already know, creating a stronger mental framework. Implement spaced repetition by reviewing material at increasing intervals, which significantly boosts long-term retention. This method helps embed facts deeply into your memory. On the days leading up to your exam, prioritize getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Rest is crucial for cognitive function. On exam day, ensure you're well hydrated and have eaten a nutritious meal to maintain focus and energy. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can help you with your financial journey, along with other helpful deals. Good luck with your exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.